So you cook that for 2 minutes. Wagwan, everybody. We're there, you know. Just done organize and thing, you know. Come back from the store, cut out some chicken, cut out some oxtail. You see, clean up the place and thing. But guess what? Lunchtime, you know. I think when I go eat, you know, because I'm a man, you know, love my food, you know, you see. I say, no fast food, no KFC, no Popeye. So guess what? Remember, say me have some shrimp in the fridge. I did portion from last week, I never sell it, you see. So I have some Ackee, so I try a thing today. Anything I try now, it have to work. So I cook some shrimp and some Ackee, and I have some leftover rice and thing that I use and thing, you see. So stay tuned for that, man. And remember to like, share and subscribe, man. Come on now. Come on now, man. So right now outside I go cook it and thing for my local car rim, you know. So just stay tuned for that, man. And make sure you like the video and share it and subscribe. Yeah, man, you know. I'll get your charcoal now, you know. Outside, I have some time for my hand today, so I could just do it outside and outside. Even though I'm not in the US, you know, I like to keep it rootsy. Yeah, man, rootsy, you know. I too like the indoor cooking every minute, you see it? Yeah. Just remind me of how I grew, you know? Doing it this way. Yeah, even though I have some shrimp and some Ackee, but still remind me of how I grew, man. You see it? Because I know I lose the focus, you know? You see it? So I just make that go and catch up, you know, and thing. Yeah, man. Yes, Ja. Today up on the gully side. Speed him up because I'm hungry now, not gonna lie. I'll eat from this man and 2 egg. Yeah, Ja. Speed up the process, you know. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so I'm getting the vegetable them ready now, you know. I use some bell pepper, some green pepper, you know. I use some onion also. Nothing fancy, but something good. Yeah, guys. I use half of that, I use some of that. I use a piece of garlic. I like cook with garlic, you know. Yeah. So just cut this like this. And some small cubes. No, go on good. Alright, go like this. So yeah, just I use one. I use one of this too. Alright. I'm just wait for the oil for hot here now. Okay guys, so see the shrimp there. No tail, you know, deviant and everything. So I use some bad boy great seasoning and thing. Jerk. Not too much, you don't want it to be salty. But still you want a little kick from it. See? Yeah. Let's cover him up now. Get them together. And if it look not too want him to too much jerk up on it, you can use look like this, some all purpose. Yeah, that good. And just get him sort out this. See? Get him sort out. Yeah, man. And just make him go and chill out look. sun bright out there, but yeah, see it there guys. Vegetable there, the ackee there. Black little of the sun, yeah. That drain look a bit because you don't know. Get some warm water on it and vibe them up back. See the shrimp them there. Yeah man. Ackee, so guess what? The ackee and shrimp. And see the bad boy over there, so I go and heat up there. Guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Come on now. Come on now. You guys see the oil out, you know, so put them in like one, yeah. Two. Shrimp. Yeah guys, so now I go overcook the shrimp now. And just transfer them to a different pot. Let them go and sit a little bit. Don't overcook them shrimp. Don't you overcook them shrimp. So the same pot now we are going to add the vegetable then, see now. Simple, easy lunch. After you cook that for 2 minutes, just add the shrimp back to it. Look there. Look, you know, right out there on the charcoal there, be with it. And then nothing normal. Yeah man, look at that. Some rice and peas with that right now. Yeah guys, so right now I'm back in our food truck, you know. I'm gonna make a plate right now. Nothing normal. Nothing normal. Hold on, look at. Yeah. Ackee and shrimp. Nothing normal. Yeah. You clean the plate. Outside. Yeah, look at that. Quick lunch. So guys, right now I'm in that food truck. Yeah. Like, share and subscribe.